I wanted to do something that was real world, so I wanted to apply what I knew and visualise something being achieved from what I knew. And engineering gave me that, and part of my experience as a scholar, I went out with technical services which do that on a daily basis. They look at the batteries in a substation to make sure they're working sufficiently, so the substation protection, the mechanisms that keep the substation being safe are in place. So flicking on a light switch might seem magic, but throughout my experiences with the power industry, I realised that it's not magic. There's a lot that goes into making that light bulb turn on, and that comes from the source, say a power station, all the way through transmission lines and substations to someone's house. So the idea of being able to turn on a light and it just comes on is quite an involved process. As an electrical engineer, I see many challenges coming in the future. Renewable and sustainable energy is one of those areas. And looking at solar cells and wind turbines and how we can connect those to our existing infrastructure is quite a challenge for our industry. The last 20-30 years we've had our power sourced from mostly coal and oil and gas, but in the future our sources of electricity will change. That's something I see as a challenge for me in my industry, how to keep people's lights on with a different supply of electricity. I definitely think there should be more women that go into engineering. As a female going through the industry, I was only one of 2 girls at my university that did electrical engineering, and as a graduate there was only a handful of us that went through on the graduate program, because there's not many women that go into the area, and I don't see a reason for that. I enjoy what I do. I love that I can apply maths and physics and all the concepts I learn in textbooks to the real world. That's what I love about being an engineer.